Welcome back everybody, and today's new Ford Focus ST2 problem is, drum roll please. Oh, fan not working on speeds 1 and 2. Let's see what this is then. I got a sneaky suspicion it's in this box. It's a fan resistor. Let's get this swapped and see if that fixes our problem. Let's get to it. So as far as I'm aware, the location of this fan resistor is located behind this mess. So I'm gonna go get some tools and we'll get that whipped off and I'll show you the location. Let's get to it. So I've emptied the glove box and that shall reveal, well, it doesn't reveal, but a couple of torx bolts, yada yada yada. T225 I believe. Let's have a look. Is that right? The old T225 star bit. So I'm just gonna whip these out in a sec. Shouldn't take 2 minutes. And once this is all undone, I think this glove box is gonna slide out. There should probably be one or two cables or a connector behind it to disconnect, and then it will be scrabbling around on the floor to get to the other, that variable resistor for the fan. So join me once these are all out, because you don't want to sit and watch this. Right, they're all out. Forgot about these two, my bad. But once they're all out, and here's a little clippy that I just literally broke one of the tangs on it. Why is that? How did that happen? I don't know. That was very brittle. Oh, I didn't even have to do that. Alright, well, that is the dirty jumbo box. You can come out. Thank you. And let's have a look down in here. I'm in a kind of an awkward spot, so I don't know if I can see it from this angle. Let's see if I can move a minute and get swapped round. Right, so things are worse than I thought. It is tucked. Right, let me get the light on it. That white connector just there is what I need to get, and it is crammed right around the back, absolutely crammed in there. A couple of torx keys bits again, not sure what size, I'll find out, but wish me luck. I'll try and get my hand up there. What a nightmare. So that bit, I've just got the second screw out, but you've got no room. You really are at elbow deep, but you've got no room to get tools into. Luckily, they're only finger tight. Oh, look how rusty that is. Focus. Look at that. That's rusty. All right. Let's get the fresh one in, because it is raining. Here's the new one. There you go. Nice and new. Not rusty. Nice and clean. I think it's that way around. Let's have a look. Let's get it in there. Looks like it should only fit one way. That's more central. Right, let's go. There you go. Slotted in nicely. Get these tiny little screws back in. T20 screws. I'll get that in, and then we'll plug it in and test it. Right, that's back in. Cable. Here it is. There it is over there. Let's get that in, and we'll try and catch that bit on camera. There you go, that's in. Let's give it a try. Is on. CD player's doing its thing. Sorry about the rain, it's coming in through the side. Let's give it a whirl. Will it work? Lovely. Oh, fresh Cornish air on every setting. Right, so now we know that works. We can put the old glove box back in the old. I'll be right back. Obviously, side note, don't forget to put the headphone jack back. Alright. Some people might not know that's what it is, but it is, it's a headphone jack. Right. Get these screws in. Be right back. So that is all back in now. And let's just have a look at what our problem was. Looks like maybe some Cornish salty sea air and loads of time, and just general wear and tear has turned this variable fan resistor thing into a rusty mess, which is now done. They're swapped, and it's definitely worth having a go yourself to save yourself a little bit of money during these trying times financially. It looked worse than it was. 2 screws to hold it in were finger tight, so you haven't got much room. I didn't have the right tools, just these, and luckily I wasn't able to get enough torque on it with my fingers to get them out. Not these ones though. The ones in there I used the ratchet. In there I just used my hand. There's no room for a ratchet. If you had a screwdriver, one of these, you'd be all right, absolutely fine. Focus. But it was T20. I think you could have done all of it with T20. I used T25 on those ones, but I did them back up with the T20 as well, and they still went in fine. So there you have it. This time of year I need those blowers to be working. The rain came in, see, did it in the rain on my knees on the driveway. So if I can do it, you could definitely do it. Have a go, save some money, fix your car, and see where you're able to drive to without misting up. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you again shortly for another video. Ta-ta now.